Indira Ganesan College of Engineering, 15 plus doctorates, third rank in Zone 13, 30 plus R&D projects, 39th in Anna University ranking, 30 plus company specific courses, 60 plus MOUs and tie-ups, 10 plus startups, 75 plus placement companies and 2 research centers. And the achievements are young scientist in INACRB India, collaboration with Sastra University and permanent affiliation to Anna University, and UGC 2F status, and MOUs with Siemens and Margadarshan. And about the college is the college believes in educating people with necessary skills to advance engineering state of art. The college has launched belief in discovery of new knowledge through innovative research that encourages entrepreneurship and economic development to benefit the societies which lead us towards excellence. Here the equal importance is given to teaching and the follows ethical, environmentally responsible engineering practice which is the need of this hour. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. User is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. Courses offered are Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Information Technology, and Civil Engineering. Cut-off marks for various castes and various departments: for OC 78 to 145 and nil for BCM, and 89 to 130 for BC, 84 to 117 for MBC, and 84 to 98 for SC. Facilities are canteen, 2 canteens, one for refreshment and other for meal is available for the day scholar students and staff members. The canteen or apart from the hostel mess, tasty and hygienic food are served and ensured by the college. Hostels, safe and secure hostel facilities are available for boys and girls separately. Purified RO drinking water is available for 24 hours. Hostel block, lock and security guard ensures safety for the hostelers. Parents are invited to see their son or daughter on Sundays. All necessary things are available in the college stores. Library, it is a treasure house open for the use of students and faculty members. Spacious reading facilities to sit and read books and newspapers in the sophisticated furniture are arranged. Dedicated library software OPAC is installed to track the books easily without much effort. A separate digital library is also allotted inside the library for online access of Delnet, NPTEL, SWAYAM, and for research searches. Clubs, all work, no play makes Jack a dull boy. The college students encouraged to be a member in various clubs available in the college to develop their skills and passions. Such students are given permission to train themselves and participate in the field of interest. Various clubs are Science Club, Cultural Club includes music, dance, singing, photography, mimicry, Tamil Mandram, English Literacy Club, and Horticulture Club. And the other facilities are transport, sports, and internal quality assurance cells. The major recruiters are IBM, Federal Mogul, Texmo, Cognizant, CSS Corp, MetLife, Bajaj Capital, Precision, Metalcam, SCG Trading, CMC Academy, PACE, Tech Mahindra, Exynosys, iFin, Microtech, Polaris, FedEx, ING, Reliance, Infosys, Hyundai, TNEB, Cognizant, Tamil Nadu Police, HCL, Ordnance Factory, TCS, Ashok Leyland, Taro Industries, Texmo Industries, and many more. Comparison from 2014 to 2018. 56 in 2014, 66 in 2015, 64 in 2016, 66 in 2017, and 62 in 2018. College counseling code is 3831. Contact college at 850-86-8845 or 850-86-8828. Website is www.igceng.in. College is located in Manikandam, Trichy, Tamil Nadu. Mail ID is director@igceng.in.